What's going on, everybody? I'm a Price, and welcome to a really quick video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, crypto hopper, and all that good stuff. Normally, I don't like doing these videos anymore since I like doing the ones with the intro, but I don't have a lot of time today. My boss has called me in for an early shift. So we're going to look at Bitcoin real quick. We're just shy of falling back under 9,737 on Ethereum, 80 cents on Ripple. 431 billion in the market cap, which shows that altcoins are doing some work, 36.2% Bitcoin dominance. Now, what I'm going to talk about is I told you so. Yesterday, I did a video on which altcoin will make you the most money in 2018, 70% rise in 1 week. What is ZIL? ZIL quoi? Well, not a lot of people watch it, which is fine. I appreciate everyone that did watch it and everyone that's supporting the channel as always, but this is where I told you so. Let's take a look at my ZIL. All right, so I picked it up the other day at 1,400 Satoshis, or 1,405 Satoshis. As of right now, it's at a 14% gain at 1,603 Satoshis. Excuse me. So the numbers speak for themselves. I mean, that just blew everything out of the water, which I'm holding in Crypto Hopper. I have turned off the setting where it will not automatically sell. I'm holding my position until this gets to be like $1 or like maybe 50 cents. So I'm not going to be too greedy or anything. But this coin is forecasted to go to like $1 or $2 by the end of 2018. And in 1 day since I purchased it, well, realistically 2 days since I purchased it, you can see the number there. It's gone up 14.23%. It's gone up like it's probably now like 85% from my buddy Steve, who I did the video based on yesterday. So Crypto Hopper's hanging on to it. I've got 1,700 tokens. If it ever does take any more dips under this 14%, I'm probably going to sell one of my other positions and buy more. But I don't want to sell anything at a loss. Real quick to show you Crypto Hopper, IOST. I've been hanging on to that coin for quite some time. It sold today at a 3.06% profit. My numbers are killing it. I am at 717,000 Satoshis. I'm up. My total BTC invested is 0.107. So I am getting closer to that. I am obviously over the starting bounce from when I've gotten my settings readjusted. I'm just waiting for these 3 tokens. So I have the buy option turned off right now until I see some crazy signals. And I'm going to be readjusting the settings here shortly. But I have these 3 tokens, which I'm waiting to sell. And at any moment, they're going to be able to sell off and make a profit as well. So, hate to say I told you so, but I told you so, I told you so, I told you so. I don't think it's too late to get into ZIL until we start getting around the 2,000 Satoshi mark. Then it might be a little bit too late. Or it's going to go to $1, and it's never too late. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Quick video before I'm going to work. I'm going to edit, shoot this off. Probably use yesterday's thumbnail. Who knows? I'm a Price. We'll see you guys next time.